we are doing a coral transfer. They reached out and asked for a handful of corals a few months ago, and in the process of organizing which corals to give them, we decided that we were going to actually make it a whole coral swap, giving them a lot of genotypes from an endangered species called Acropora cervicornis, or the staghorn coral. Now, staghorn coral is a vital coral to Florida's reef as well as throughout the Caribbean, but they faced massive declines in the last 50 years. We're sending them 71 genotypes of Acropora cervicornis. There's going to be about 3 clippings or replicates of each genotype, so about 240 corals of Acropora cervicornis, and then we're going to be sending some massive corals for some experimentation as well as just more representation of the Florida corals. That way Texas A&M Corpus Christi can use these in a bunch of different studies to look at the effects of anything from turbidity to bleaching and understanding how these corals can react, and really helping us educate both ourselves, the scientific community, and the public on what's going on with coral reefs, not just in Florida, but throughout the Caribbean and the rest of the world.